episode of Tay's Garage. So today I'm waiting on the insurance auto auction company to bring my car back. The insurance did end up totaling it out.
Flashback.
Mercedes was involved in an accident. It wasn't my fault, and it took a pretty good hit. As you can see, the bumper's all pushed over. The hood is straight. Kind of surprising to me. There's some little scuffs and scratches here and there, but it's pretty straight. And I'll go ahead and put up the dash cam footage from the accident.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
End of flashback.
Where are you going? You're lost?
And she is here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it unloaded off the truck. I think the battery's probably dead, so I'm gonna have to jump it. The car is now unloaded and parked where it's gonna sit until I get all the parts to fix it. I'm gonna go ahead and put a picture of what the insurance company quoted the car to be repaired.
Several days later.
What is going on, guys? So today I got a bunch of updates for you guys. So I'm gonna start with update number one. The 740, I sold that car a few days ago and I replaced it with this, a 2002 Mercedes S430. And I got this from a public auction. The car drove really nice. Back, I had to drive it 20 minutes home. The only problem is that it has a coolant leak near the firewall. Now that seems to be sort of a common issue with these, and I'm gonna have that all sorted out later on this week. Now, update number two, I have most of the front end taken off of the CL500. So yeah, I've been doing quite a bit of work off camera. I ordered a ton of parts. I really just can't wait to get this car back on the road. I really miss driving it. I did pick up some wheels for the CL, finally. I've been looking for a very, very long time, and I finally found a set that I think would look good on it. So I'm gonna test fit these, and I'm gonna take the monoblocks from the CL and put them on the S-Class.
2,000 years later.
So as you can see, it is later on in the day, and I did a lot of running around off camera. The factory lug nuts turned out to be a little bit too long to mount these wheels, but I went to 3 different auto zones and got the right size lug nuts. And now they're on. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop the car. With the front end off, it still looks pretty clean. Definitely be going with a fatter tire. Just to take up a little bit more space. All in all, these look really nice, and I can't wait to get all of them on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll update you when they're on. Man, I only got one side done, let me tell you. Look at this, bro. These are so clean. I am so glad I found these wheels. So I just got the other side done. All the wheels are now on. Just running. Oh man, it looks way better in person. So now I'm gonna go back and park this in the driveway, and I'm gonna put these wheels on that over there. Skirt! That's close.
Eventually.
Forgot to update you guys in the last part of the video, but here it is now. So it's got the blacked out tail lights, got the monoblocks on it, you know, got the social media going on right here. I did black out the reflectors as well as the grill. So thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.